I'd like to take you on a journey to show you what a zoological animal consultant does. Let's start the journey to go. A raised bed glass fronted pond to allow visitors to study the behavior of these animals and really get the immersive experience when observing these wonderful species. Fruiting plants and following the legislation that's required when managing these wonderful exhibits is very important. So expertise from zoological keepers and from caretakers and from design architects is all very important to make sure that everything works and we have an effective system. Throughout my career and family life, it is very important to me that I work very closely with whatever plant or animal may be required. It is very important that the natural requirements for these animals are met and the welfare standards are set high. Working in zoological institutions is very much about the inspiration and embracement that involves family and indeed visitors alone. And it's so important that we can provide this to professional standards and legislation. I'm very proud to also have been awarded an affiliate member for the Charter Trust of Further Education.